Think you're training your chest, but your shoulders are doing almost all the work. What if I told you that one tiny adjustment could make every chest workout instantly more effective without adding a single pound to the bar? Most people spend years chasing a bigger chest while repeating the exact same mistake every week. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your chest isn't growing and the simple fix that changes everything. Building a great chest isn't about lifting the heaviest weight. It's about making the chest muscles do the work they're designed to do. The problem is that most people confuse moving weight with building muscle. Those are not the same thing. Today, we're going to start with the biggest mistakes almost everyone makes, then move into beginner fixes, advanced techniques, and finally the small details that separate average results from impressive growth. And one of those details is so simple, you'll wonder why nobody taught you sooner. Let's start with mistake number 1. Your shoulders take over. Watch someone bench press in a crowded gym. Their shoulders roll forward, their elbows flare out, the bar flies up, but their chest barely contracts. It's like asking your neighbor to do your homework while expecting your own grades to improve. The second mistake, people bounce the weight. Momentum is doing the work, not muscle. Imagine trying to build a house using a wrecking ball instead of careful construction. That's what rushing your reps does. And here's another mistake almost nobody notices. They only think about pushing the weight away. But your chest isn't just pushing. Its real job is bringing your arms toward the center of your body. Remember it. Before worrying about heavier weights, build a stronger foundation. Imagine your body like a skyscraper. If the foundation moves, everything above it becomes unstable. Your upper back is that foundation. Pull your shoulder blades gently back and down, not exaggerated, not forced. Plant your feet firmly. Generate tension from the ground. Power doesn't begin in your hands, it begins from your entire body working together. Now lower the weight slowly, 2 to 3 seconds down. Pause briefly, then press upward with control. Notice something? Your chest suddenly feels involved. That's because tension, not speed, is what tells muscles to grow. The weight isn't your goal, the tension is. Now for the adjustment most people never hear. Instead of thinking, push the bar, think, bring your upper arms toward each other. Even though your hands stay fixed on the bar, this mental cue changes how your chest contracts. The chest's primary job is horizontal adduction, bringing the upper arms toward the middle of the body. Don't fully relax at the top. Keep a little tension. Small change, huge difference. Control your breathing. Inhale as the weight lowers. Brace your core. Exhale steadily while pressing upward. Don't chase heavier weights every workout. Master perfect repetitions. Muscles don't know numbers. They only know tension, consistency, and recovery. Let's put everything together. Keep your shoulder blades stable. Plant your feet. Lower the weight slowly. Drive with control. Think about bringing your upper arms together. Keep tension on the chest throughout every repetition. Now, here's today's challenge. Perform just 10 flawless reps using these cues. Not faster, not heavier, simply better. Progress doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing it right. Master the fundamentals, stay patient, stay consistent, and your body will eventually reflect the quality of your effort. Perfect technique practiced consistently will always beat perfect motivation that disappears tomorrow.